Who's ready? Who's ready? Today's the day. We are finally epoxying the floor. So right now we're in full prep mode. Nick's here, Seb's here. It's gonna be a great vlog. We're finally gonna see this nasty, ugly looking floor, nice and glossy, nice and clean. This is the vlog where we basically damn near done and we can hurry up and start building cars again and quit this Tim the Tool Man home improvement BS out of here, right? I know a lot of people like these videos. I could tell by the views you guys like these videos, but this is not me. I build cars. I build substance. I build vehicles with a personality. I build relationships with new people, new gunners, new companies. And I just can't wait to get back to work. So we've got all our stuff ready here. We'll explain as we're going through it. You want to talk about research? Over 25 videos I've watched on people using the same Rust-Oleum rock solid floor epoxy. I picked up whatever knowledge I can pick up from them. So the answers are out there. You guys just have to do a better job at trying to find them. Every answer to your question is definitely out there in the world. And that goes with any aspect in life, whether it's cars, whether it's relationships, whether it's financial situations. There's an answer out there. So before this video even starts, smash that like button, smash that subscriber button. We're at 50,300 subscribers, which is a blessing. It's shooting up right now. Pause. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Seb, Nick, you ready? Let's go. All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. Okay, Rust-Oleum here, right? You got that bottle so we could just show it to them? He'll get it. We've got our Rust-Oleum in here. Filled up some holes. This is crazy. This spray foam, Seb, I just put a little bit in, and as it's drying, it's rising, which is good because we could just scrape it off. Because I already scraped some off earlier, and then it just keeps rising, which is a good thing. That means it's filling in whatever holes, right? Pause. We've got no leaks. We're good so far. It rained yesterday. We're completely dry over here. Everything is functional with the sink and the toilet. And let me grab and see that. I've seen a ton of people using this. On every vlog that I've seen with someone doing epoxy floors, they use this right here. So it's a cleaner and degreaser for concrete. We're gonna use that first. We put it in our spray bottle. We're gonna scrub really good, pause, clean it out, then go get our concrete etch that in, and then, you know, eventually get to the epoxy. So what I told Seb is that we should do it in sections. So we'll scrub to about right here, really, really good. Move back, just keep moving back so we don't miss a spot. So he's just pouring on the degreaser. I think it's like a simple green. It was the same color as simple green, so I'm assuming it's all the same stuff, but I'm just going based off whatever knowledge I picked up off YouTube. So we'll get that stuff on, then we'll start scrubbing. I'm working too. I'm just trying to vlog that I'm working too. Just trying to vlog.
Very
concrete etch. So we got 2 bags of that. Put that in. Basically like sandpaper. It's basically like sandpaper for concrete. So it's really hard to cut this open right now with the camera. So we'll pour these 2 bags inside this bucket, add 2 gallons of water, and start etching the ground. Giving us a funny smell, like it's lifting up. Yeah, it's working. You hear it like sizzling too a little bit. Basically, we're gonna epoxy from about right here up. Back here we'll just paint. We're gonna put some mats down because this is always gonna get damaged from whenever it rains or whatnot. So there's no need to risk the epoxy when we can really do a good job right here. So now we just squeegee and just get ready to exit the garage as we paint. Got some patching up to do right there. Just clean all those that foam out, pause. Almost ready for paint. Planning this escape route right now. So we want to leave the fans on the entire day and night. So we're just trying to figure out where to plug this fan and this one in. Most likely have to go to this extension cord. So we'll paint, right? We'll sprinkle our flakes and we'll eventually just exit the garage and we'll leave the fans running all night. Because it gets real humid here and we've got like a nice wind tunnel that's going on. And it's gonna definitely let us help. It's gonna definitely help us dry up the floor. So right now, underneath the lift is obviously some water from when we washed. So I dried off this part, drying off here. We'll probably put the fan in the middle one more time, let it just dry, and then eventually we'll get ready to paint. But we're just, again, planning the exit strategy of how to get out of here. Just gonna mix A first. Mix B, I did it outside already, just showing it on camera. So just mix that up. Then you take A, you start to roll it, and it's gonna pop this bag into here, and that's where I guess the reaction happens with the paint. That's it. And now we mix this all together nice and fun. This will be our epoxy for the floor. This is our paint. This is our new life onto the ground. So I ended up just taking the flakes and putting them in a cup so that when Seb and Nick are painting, I'll spread the flakes. We'll move back. We'll just slowly exit the garage We've got our brushes ready. So I'll set up the camera further back. You guys will see us do the process, and hopefully it comes out good.
Start at the edge and come in.
Ah, they're killing us in the back with the music, man. I gotta talk over it or else YouTube kills us. So we're almost out of the garage, guys. It's looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. That's it. Now we'll just wait for it to dry. So we'll do the edges with the other paint that we have. Hit the back up. Pause. We'll get to it. Sorry guys, I can't really talk because of the music and then YouTube blocks the video. So most likely I'll just be back tomorrow when it's dry, or I could at least go inside. So catch you guys in a bit.